Perhaps one way to emphasize the magnitude of what happened is to state this parallel. The day after Pearl Harbor was bombed, President Franklin Roosevelt declared that Sunday, December 7, 1941, was a date that would live in infamy. If there was another date that would live in infamy for the indigenous people of this country, it was February 8, 1887.
The Dawes Act, or the General Allotment Act.
The Dawes Act.
The Dawes Act.
The Dawes Act.
The Dawes Act, they call it the mighty pulverizing engine to break up the tribal mass, Teddy Roosevelt.
The purported aim of the act was to protect American Indian property rights during the Oklahoma land rush, and to aid in the conversion of American Indians on other reservations to become farmers and landowners in the style of non-Indians. By registering Indians, we're told, they would be allotted 160 acres of land per family in advance of the land rush, and thus be restituted for 100 years of genocide against them. It was found that Indian-held land, which totaled 138 million acres in 1887, at the time the Dawes Act was signed into law, had been reduced to 47 million acres of land by 1934, when the act was repealed.
In the Dawes Allotment Act of 1887, and again, that reduced the land base for the tribes. For Umatilla, it was now down to 158,000 acres from that 245,000. All the land that was not allotted was declared surplus and was taken over by the government and auctioned off.